Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to find out the value of cot alpha minus beta using the formula of cos alpha minus beta and sin alpha minus beta. We can find out the value of cot alpha minus beta in two ways. One way is this one, and second is using the formula of cot alpha plus beta, we can find out the value of cot alpha minus beta, because we know that cot alpha plus beta is cot alpha cot beta minus 1 upon cot beta plus cot alpha. Now replacing beta by minus beta, we get here cot alpha plus minus beta equals cot alpha cot minus beta minus 1 upon cot minus beta plus cot alpha. That is cot alpha minus beta equals cot alpha, and we know that cot minus theta is minus cot theta, so it will become minus cot beta. We can put minus over here, so it will become cot beta with minus sign minus 1 upon cot minus beta is minus cot beta plus cot alpha. Taking minus common, it will become cot alpha cot beta plus 1, and taking minus common from numerator and denominator both, it will become cot beta minus cot alpha. Hence cot alpha minus beta will be equal to cot alpha cot alpha into cot beta plus 1 upon cot beta minus cot alpha. So using the formula of cot alpha plus beta, how to find out the value of cot alpha minus beta. Now with the help of formula of cos alpha minus beta and sin alpha minus beta, how to find out the value of cot alpha minus beta, and then I will tell you what is its application. Now let's see how to find out the value of cot alpha minus beta. Taking this, we know that cot alpha minus beta, because cot theta equals cos theta upon sin theta. We know this using this formula. Cot, this is theta, alpha minus beta. So it will be cos alpha minus beta upon sin alpha minus beta. Now using the identity cos alpha minus beta, it will be cos alpha into cos beta plus sin alpha into sin beta upon identity of sin alpha minus beta is sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Now dividing numerator and denominator by sin alpha into sin beta. Dividing numerator and denominator by sin alpha sin beta. Sin alpha sin beta upon sin alpha sin beta whole divided by sin alpha cos beta upon sin alpha sin beta minus cos alpha sin beta upon sin alpha into sin beta. Now we can see this whole will cancel out, this will cancel out, and sin alpha will cancel out, and it will be cos alpha upon sin alpha and cos beta upon sine beta. The cos upon sine is cot alpha into cot beta plus 1 upon it is cot beta minus cot alpha. So the value of cot alpha minus beta equals cot alpha cot beta plus 1 upon cot beta minus cot alpha. What is its application? How to use it? Let's see. Suppose I want to find out the value of cot 15 degrees. I can write it as cot 45 minus 30. And this is alpha and this is beta using the formula cot alpha minus beta. Cot alpha cot 45 into cot beta cot 30 plus 1 upon cot beta that is cot 30 minus cot alpha that is cot 45. We know the value of cot 45 from trigonometric table, and cot 30 is square root of 3. Cot 30 is square root of 3 minus cot 45 is 1. Simply we have square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3 minus 1. We can further simplify it by multiplying by the conjugate. It will become square root of 3 plus 1 whole square upon using the identity a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. And it will become using the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab upon 3 minus 1. It will become 4. It will become 4 minus 4 plus 2 root 3, 2 square root of 3 upon 2. Taking 2 common, it would be 2 plus square root of upon 2. Hence, cot 15 degree is equal to 2 plus square root of 3. So in this video, we have learned how to find out the value of formula of cot alpha minus beta using the formula of cos alpha minus beta and sin alpha minus beta and its application. Thank you. That's all in this video.